Hi
Hey
guys! It's DIY day!
Yay! I was literally just sitting at my desk and complaining to Ani as I was doing my makeup about like my dry scalp and flakes literally falling as I was doing this, and I'm like, man, my scalp is so dry. And I had no idea because Ani took charge of the DIYs that we're gonna do today, and she said, oh my god, did you like know what we're doing? I'm like, no, what? And she's like,
which A proves she didn't read my emails.
hater, right? Putting me on blast. It was late night. And she's like, we're doing a DIY deep scalp conditioner for dry scalp. I'm like, oh my god.
Well, because I feel like when it gets really cold or it's like rainy and like just the winter months, my scalp gets really, really dry too. And I've never really had this problem before in the past. I've actually always had like hair on the oilier side, but I feel like in the winter months, my scalp gets dry and it itches and it just doesn't feel good. I feel like my hair just doesn't look as good as obviously summertime. So I looked online and I found some ingredients that we can put together for a really, really easy deep conditioning DIY conditioner.
There's a lot of conditioner in that. Is this going to condition my hair?
It's going... Okay, wait. It's a conditioner. It's going to deep condition your hair.
I need it, you guys. Can we get like a zoom in on like the flakes? I think a few of the flakes fell into my foundation as I was like doing this. So I'm like, oh man, that's nasty.
That's great. That's fantastic.
All right, so first our giveaway. If you don't want to make this conditioner, we're giving away conditioner for you. I like to put like the giveaway.
I know, you always do that. You're like,
it's like
if you don't feel like making this, here, I'll just give you some.
Yeah, it's a theme. It's the Nature Queen Premium Herbal Conditioner, you guys. Ta-da!
But if you do want to make this,
we're making this and like going home and actually using it.
All right, let's do it. Super easy. These are super, super easy ingredients that you have
for
in your
this conditioner.
For this conditioner. Did I not tell you we're making a conditioner? Okay, so we are going to be using 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
I was wondering what that was.
Both really good and nourishing for your hair and for your scalp. And we, as an added bonus, are going to be putting in maybe like 5 to 6 drops of lavender essential oil.
I contributed to this DIY.
Why don't you tell us why we're adding lavender essential oil?
Because we were going to only use these, and I stepped it up, and I said...
After she read my email.
Lavender oil is actually really good for your skin because aside from the fact that it helps with dry scalp, it's also good to grow your hair. You don't have that issue, but I need more hair. I need more hair. So it's really good for thinning hair as well. So this conditioner is like a 2-in-1.
Oh, it's a conditioner we're making.
How, on a level 1 to 10, how annoying are we
seriously,
right now?
Right? Okay, so... Okay, are you ready to make this? It's so easy. Look.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. What?
Oh my god. Guys, complex.
Crazy. We're literally just going to whip this up together, and Nora's going to put in... I want to say 5 because I know she's going to end up with 10 drops because Nora's like...
Trigger happy
when it comes to this. Oh my god, that's like 7 already. Relax.
It was 7. It was exactly 7.
Because lavender essential oil is very strong. So we have our conditioner here. We're each going to take this home and apply it to our hair. It works best if you apply it to your dry hair. So literally like your hair as it is. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then go into the shower and rinse it off like you normally would. Yeah,
these conditioners, the longer you leave it, the better it is. Yes, I love to leave conditioners for like hours.
Because our scalp is super dry, we're gonna leave it on for 20 minutes and then take you into the shower with us. Not really, don't worry. But we are taking you into our homes to do this.
Mom joke.
So I'm gonna apply it all the way on my ends because I feel like my ends have been really, really dry lately. And I'm gonna leave this in my hair for like half an hour before I rinse it out. So I'm gonna put my hair in a little shower cap and let it kind of like marinate for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then rinse it out.
All right, so here's the oil. It smells amazing. I'm gonna put it on my head and my scalp, my hair. When I'm doing these kind of detoxes or hair masks, honestly, I don't listen to the directions. I put it everywhere, so it's extra soft. And my hair really needs it. Okay, I'm gonna chill like this for like 15-20 minutes and then jump in the shower and wash my hair.
My hair feels so amazing and so soft. Definitely recommend this conditioner. Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. We'll see you guys next time.